Sales, as we know, means to sell something, whereas forecasting means to predict something. Here in sales forecasting, we predict the future sales. So, the process of estimating the future sales is known as the sales forecasting. These are some of the basic objectives of sales forecasting. First is it assists in decision making. So the prediction of future performance helps the business organization in making accurate decisions. These accurate decision making improve sales, generate revenue, and helps in expansion of a business. So with the estimation of sales forecasting, it becomes easier for a business organization to manage and control all the activities of business and take accurate and timely decisions based on it. The decisions can be related to advertising, to marketing, to manpower planning, or it can be related to the new product developments. So once the sales is predicted, the production and other activities can be controlled to achieve the desired results. We can say that sales forecasting makes controlling of various resources effectively. Similarly, sales forecasting acts as a tool for evaluating the performance of sales team, or we can say of sales personnel. The performance of various departments and employees can be easily measured on the basis of sales targets achieved by them. Then next is it assists in budgeting. So we know sales is very important for every business organization, and so is the sales forecasting. Sales forecasting helps the business organization to prepare and allocate budgets to various sales activities or to various sales departments. The strength and accuracy of budget mainly depends upon the accuracy of sales forecasting. Then is it helps the business organization to check the prevailing market trends. So apart from forecasting the own sales, many business organizations even forecast the sales of their competitors to keep a check on their performance. With this, the business organization can plan accordingly in order to overcome their competitors. We can say that it gives a competitive edge to the business organization. Then is it assists in designing of sales territories and sales quotas. As we know, as we have already discussed in our previous lectures, that sales territory is basically the segmentation of the whole sales market, and sales quota is assigning of targets to those specific sales territories. So sales forecasting is also done for specific sales territories. This helps the sales manager or the sales management department to assign sales quotas to its sales personals and sales teams. So we can say that sales forecasting plays a important role in almost all the departments of business organization. The sales forecasting is a vital tool for all the major business activities. So these are the basic objectives of sales forecasting. The sales forecasting process is quite simple. As we know that sales forecasting is the fundamental, or we can say it's a base of the sales planning and budgeting. So the sales forecasting process start with the determination or the need of forecasting. The purpose of sales forecasting is based upon the sales forecasting objectives, which we have discussed earlier. The short term decisions and various marketing strategies form the base on which sales forecasting is done. Then in the next step, we divide the products offered by the business organization into various homogeneous groups. Homogeneous here means grouping of similar products. This step can be successfully implemented if there is a proper marketing segmentation. Now we will determine various factors that influence the sales forecasting. These factors can be type of product or the prevailing economic conditions, competitors. We have discussed all these factors in detail. Then appropriate method of forecasting is chosen. The method can be qualitative or quantitative in nature depending upon the need of forecasting. Then comes the fifth step. So here data is collected from various sources and is analyzed to predict the future sales. The past sales data is also considered during data collection and analysis. The findings after this analysis are interpreted and is presented to the concerned authority of a business organization. Then comes the last stage, which is implementation of findings. So at this final stage, the decisions are made based on the sales forecasting. The sales forecasting results are given or forwarded to various departments and sales territories. All the concerned departments and sales territories work in a coordination to achieve the sales objective. So this was all in this sales forecasting process. It's a 6-step process.